If you always wanted to sew like a pro, then Frocks Frolics is for you. I am Marina, I design all the patterns and I also create those great video instructions that you can follow step by step. Visit our Learn to Sew membership area and you get to the Academy where you can learn how to sew like a pro, step by step to perfect results every time. Check out the course catalogue. The sewing workshop has tons of techniques you will really love. For example, how to insert pockets from very easy to fairly complicated. Maybe you want to see what we do in Sewing for Girls? Well, just pick your project. Maybe the lily is up your street and see what we do for that. Have a look at the gallery, see what other people have done, log in for free and then connect with other learners that are also on the course. You can even start a lively discussion. In your area you also have the daily Newsfeed. Find all the news from all the blogs that you really like from all around the world, and if you like an article, all you have to do is click on it, it'll take you straight to the site, you can read it and then you can return and leave a little comment on it. So what are you waiting for? Come on over to the Sewing Academy at frocksandfrolics.com and create something amazing, because you know you really can do it. See you there.